Today, I'll show you how to sort Microsoft Planner grid view. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser or open your Planner board inside Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now open the plan where you want to sort your tasks. Once the plan opens, look near the top of the screen and choose Grid View. Grid View shows your tasks in a table format, which makes it easier to review task names, buckets, assigned people, progress, priority, start dates, and due dates. To sort the grid, look at the column headers at the top of the table. For example, you may see columns like task name, assigned to, bucket, progress, priority, start date, or due date. Click the column header you want to sort by. For example, click due date if you want to see tasks in date order. Click it once to sort from earliest to latest. Click it again to reverse the order from latest to earliest. You can also sort by priority if you want to see urgent tasks first, or sort by assigned to if you want to group tasks by team member. If the grid is not showing the information you need, check if you can adjust the visible columns. Depending on your version of Planner, you may be able to show or hide some columns. You can also use filter to narrow down the list before sorting. For example, you can filter tasks by one person, one label, one bucket, or one progress status. Then sort the remaining tasks in grid view. This is helpful when your plan has many tasks and you only want to focus on a smaller group. If you want to organize tasks visually instead of sorting a table, switch back to board view. In board view, you can use group by to organize tasks by bucket, assigned person, progress, due date, priority, or labels. But for table-style sorting, grid view is the better option. If you are using Planner inside Microsoft Teams and sorting does not work as expected, try opening the same plan in the Planner web app. The browser version may give you a clearer grid layout and more control. So, to keep it simple, open your plan, switch to grid view, click a column header like due date, priority, or assigned person, and click again if you want to reverse the order. And that's how you sort Microsoft Planner grid view. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.